Irish werewolves known as the Fuela.
It's time for another Norse pagan pet peeve. If you are familiar with my content, you know that I have made many videos on Berserker. Did one called Understanding Ulfithnar. One of my first videos was being Berserker. Extensive research done with a lot of cited sources, explaining terminology, etc. This guy is literally just reading a Wikipedia and spitting out some Hollywood stuff. It's literally just clickbait algorithm. TikTok is becoming known for these really bad takes because people are trying to take your interests and click on their little profile. So there's two things that he mentions. One being bitten.
According to legend, a person can become a werewolf if they are bitten by another werewolf.
And two being the moon.
Irish werewolves are said to have the ability to shapeshift into wolves at will, usually during the full moon, of course.
Both of these things are Hollywood. These are strictly created by Hollywood. They come from the Lon Chaney Jr. Universal Wolfman movie. The old black and white one with the Romani stereotypes and everything. There is no historical validity. The other really bad take that I did not like in this video, he's talking about reintroduction of wolves into Ireland and how some people may be against that. And you know, there probably are people that are against that. However, wolves have become extinct in Ireland. Wolf conservation is very important. I'm sure that a biologist should probably explain that a lot better than I should. I'm just somebody that's passionate about wolf conservation, and I, follow the biologists and stuff. So a really sad thing that he kind of mentions at the end and then sort of brushes off.
Today there are efforts underway to reintroduce wolves to Ireland, with some conservationists arguing that they could play an important role in our actual ecosystem. But there is obvious backlash and opposition to this idea, with some people expressing concerns about the potential impact of wolves and livestock and other wildlife, which is understandable, really.
Multiple countries have had the wolf go extinct because of fear and lazy practices with livestock. Whenever I do a deep dive on Fenrir, I'll go over humanity's relation to the wolf. The Irish name for wolf was MacTair, which means son of the land, because it was so important to them. And for this man to take that mythology and then just try to use it to game the algorithm with clickbait is absolutely absurd. It really bugs me. That is my pet peeve. Using wiki-level information and Hollywood hot takes, and frankly, a really important cause, wolf conservation, and trying to use it to create clickbait. It would be one thing if he was actually like pushing for wolf conservation, but instead he's doing the centrist argument of, oh, there's both sides, as though humanity hasn't been trying to genocide wolves for centuries due to really bad livestock practices. You could go on that forever, but please do your research. Look for people that actually cite historical sources, people that actually research things. There's so many bad takes, and you would be surprised how much utter nonsense exists within pop culture, and we just take it at face value. Please do your research. Don't feed into the clickbait algorithm that sucks you in to these bad hot takes that TikTok has become known for.